In today's digital world, business isn't just business anymore. It's branding, it's automation, it's content, it's speed. If you're juggling 5 different platforms to grow your brand, you're not alone. But what if you could run your entire digital empire from idea to income under one roof? Welcome to Empirely 2.0, the all-in-one AI-powered business suite designed for today's pace. Entrepreneurs, creators, coaches, and change makers. Whether you're building a brand, launching digital products, or teaching your skills online, Empirely 2.0 empowers you to create, market, and monetize in just a few clicks. With Empirely 2.0, you get AI-powered ebook and product creation built-in funnel and sales page. Builder, smart QR codes to connect print and digital worlds, course and membership hosting branding kits, and mockups, analytics, and automation all in one place. No more scattered tools, no more tech overwhelm, just one empire, one platform, one vision. Join a growing network of business minds, artists, coaches, and creators who are building their future the Empirely way. Click on the link below this video, and let's start Empirely, the all-in-one platform today in one place.